I am going to introduce you to the new account options page in the Ken-Caryl Ranch registration portal. You can access our registration portal from the Ken-Caryl Ranch website at kencarylranch.org. Don't forget the hyphen between Ken and Carol. Click on the registration link to access the registration portal. This will connect you to the home page of the registration portal. On the home page, you can either sign up for an account or sign into your account. For today's purposes, we will be signing into our account. Enter your email and password. And then confirm that you are not a robot. And then sign in. We are now on the customer account options page. You can manage your personal information here, or change your password and security information here. To make a payment on your account, click Pay on Account. If you are unsure of what a balance is for, you can click on the receipt number to view and print a detailed receipt. Click on My Account to return to the account options page. You can manage your payment information in this area. To change a credit card on an automatic payment, click on Change Auto Charge Payments. To view and manage your gift card list, click on Gift Card List. To view and manage saved credit cards, click on Save Credit Cards. And to view your transaction and payment history, click on Transaction and Payment History. If you have any transactions that need attention, they are going to be showing here at the top of the page. You can click on this link to reach the transactions that need your attention. You can narrow your search results by eliminating the transaction types that you don't want to view. You can click on the transaction type to view more detail about the transaction. You can click on the receipt number to view and print a detailed receipt for the transaction. You can click on an event type to view any associated waivers with that event. Click on My Account at the top of the page to return to your account options page. To view account payment details, click here on the Account Payment Details link. To view any deposits that you may have for a reservation, click on Account Deposit List. And to view and print your childcare receipt for tax purposes, click on Childcare Receipt. Under Other Services, you can manage your wish list, and you can view your membership information. You can manage your family members and their personal information here. For assistance with the registration portal, please contact a member of our guest services team.